Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the latest electric vehicle trends and innovations. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're at the 2025 New York Auto Show, showcasing some of the coolest electric cars that are about to hit dealerships. First up, let's talk about Subaru's new all-electric SUV, the 2026 Trailseeker. This vehicle is engineered for outdoor adventures, with incredible grip in snow and mud. It accelerates from 0-60 mph in just 4.4 seconds, has up to 375 horsepower, and can tow a whopping 3,500 pounds. But what really catches our attention is its range. A respectable 260 miles, that's perfect for most adventures. But the Trailseeker isn't the only new EV we saw at the show. The Solterra got some major upgrades, including 25% more range, now clocking in at over 330 miles. And with its NACS charge port, this car is poised to take on even the longest road trips. Now, let's shift gears to Kia's Weekender concept EV van. This solar-roofed beauty has a spacious sleeping area that pops up when you need it most, and an adaptable modular interior that can be reconfigured to fit your camping gear. It's the perfect companion for any outdoor enthusiast. But luxury comes at a price, as evidenced by Lucid Motors' ultra-premium Gravity SUV. This electric powerhouse boasts some of the most advanced tech in the industry, including high-resolution graphics and a head-up display. With its 430-mile range and gigantic frunk, this car is an absolute treat for any EV enthusiast. And then there's Hyundai's Ioniq 9, set to revolutionize the three-row SUV market with its incredible range of up to 335 miles and rapid charging capabilities through its NACS port. Plus, it'll even let you connect your car to the grid and sell excess, stored power back to utility companies. As we explore these exciting new electric vehicles, it's clear that innovation is on the rise in the EV market. From outdoor enthusiasts to luxury car buyers, there's something for everyone at ElectroDrive News. Stay tuned for more updates from the auto show, and don't forget to subscribe for all your electric vehicle news and reviews.